Hello guys, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for completely free. So the first thing you will need to do is open your browser and in the search box type DaVinci Resolve and hit enter. Now make sure you are opening the official Blackmagic website and not the other ones, because the top results often includes ads from the other websites. So make sure the web link is www.blackmagicdesign.com. Once you're in, scroll down and click on the DaVinci Resolve free download button. Now you will find two options. The one on the left is a free version and on the right is the studio version, which is a paid version of DaVinci Resolve. To download the free version, you'll then need to select your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll choose Windows x86 as it is the standard version of Windows PC. It will then open up a page where you have to fill in all of your details. Well, it's not necessary to provide the actual details, so you can add a bunch of random information if you don't want to disrupt your privacy. Once you fill in all of the details, click on Register and Download, and again click on this button to download the DaVinci Resolve. Now you first need to extract this file to get the installer. You just need to check the DaVinci Resolve 19.1.1. Well, obviously it could be any other version in your case, but you don't need to download these components unless you plan to upgrade to the premium version in the future. Now just follow the on-screen instructions and it will be installed in no time. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.